Hey guys, Ty with Golfkicks. I just put one in the lake, so I'm not going to teach you how to play golf, but I'm going to answer some frequently asked questions that we get. What are golf kicks? So they're basically golf spikes. It comes 20 of them in a pack, little golf ball sleeve. Rather than having a male-female insert thing, they have an auger-shaped screw that you screw right into the bottom of your favorite sneakers. We've got all the sneaker recommendation guidelines on our website. I'm wearing today, these are actually soft spike golf shoes, but I've added golf kicks for extra traction, which works great.
What happens is it's a small incision that goes into the shoe, you screw them in, and the rubber heels around it. I've even taken these out on not this shoe, but a pair of Jordan 4s, and then I've gone and played basketball in them.
Do they fall out? So again, look at the videos on our website. If you mount them properly, flush with the rubber sole, they do not fall out. They stay in. Doesn't matter how big you are, tough you are, how crazy your swing is, they really stay in well.
And I've got over probably 100 miles just on these alone, and they're still standing great and wearing great.
They make your soles leak water. No, they don't. So if you use recommended rubber soles 1/3 of an inch thick, they don't make holes through the sole. They just make a little incision. It only goes in 7 millimeters. What about waterproof on the upper? That's totally up to you. You can choose whatever shoes you want. And we usually spray them if we're using Chuck Taylor or something like that for a little waterproofness. Do they ruin your soles? Do they ruin your shoes? No. So they're designed to leave in. So you're gonna create these cool sneaker golf shoes and leave them in. If you happen to take them out, they just leave a little kind of pinprick incision, and it's no big deal. You can still wear the shoes just fine, go play hoops, whatever you want to do.